Welcome back to Torque Talk, the ultimate destination where machines come alive and legends are dissected. If you're passionate about vehicles, both civilian and military, then you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a beat from the world of torque, power, and precision. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most fearsome and advanced battle machines the modern world has ever seen. It's not a sports car. It's not a luxury jet. This is something that rules the battlefield with steel and fire, the 2025 Leopard 2A7. A tank not just built for war, but for dominance. It's not just a machine, it's a message. A message that says, power, resilience, and unmatched capability. So, buckle in as we roll deep into the heart of the Leopard 2A7. The Leopard 2 series has always been a symbol of German engineering excellence, evolving over decades to meet the changing face of warfare. But with the 2A7, Krauss-Maffei Wegmann has raised the bar higher than ever. This isn't a simple upgrade. It's a complete redefinition of what a main battle tank can do in the 21st century. Designed for both urban and conventional warfare, the 2A7 is more agile, more armored, and more connected than any of its predecessors. Let's begin with the bones of the beast, its armor. The 2025 Leopard 2A7 is equipped with modular composite armor that includes passive and active protection systems. It integrates cutting-edge technologies like the Trophy Active Protection System, which can detect and intercept incoming projectiles before they strike. That's right, this tank literally shoots down threats in real time. It's like having a force field made of tungsten and intelligence. But armor alone doesn't make a tank a predator. Mobility plays a crucial role, and the 2A7 delivers in spades. Powered by a turbocharged 1,500 horsepower MTU-MB 873 Ka501 diesel engine, it's capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 km per hour on roads, with a cruising range of around 450 km. Despite weighing over 60 tons, the 2A7 moves with surprising speed and agility. Thanks to its improved suspension and upgraded running gear, it can traverse rough terrain, urban rubble, and even narrow battle corridors without skipping a beat. Now let's talk about firepower, because what's a battle tank without its bite? The Leopard 2A7 is armed with the Rheinmetall 120mm L55 smoothbore gun, which is considered one of the most lethal tank guns in the world. It can fire a variety of ammunition types, from kinetic energy penetrators to programmable airburst rounds. This allows it to engage everything from heavily armored enemy tanks to infantry hiding behind cover. And with a state-of-the-art fire control system, it can lock onto targets at extreme distances with surgical accuracy, even while moving at full speed. But warfare today isn't just about brute force. It's about awareness, communication, and coordination. The 2025 Leopard 2A7 incorporates a fully digitized battle management system. Every unit becomes a node in a digital network, sharing real-time data with drones, command centers, and allied vehicles. This level of connectivity allows the tank crew to identify threats faster, coordinate with air support, and adapt instantly to changes on the battlefield. The situational awareness provided by its advanced optics, thermal imagers, and integrated drone feeds is something you'd expect from a futuristic sci-fi movie, but it's very real, and it's here now. Inside the tank, ergonomics have taken a front seat. Gone are the cramped, mechanical interiors of the past. The 2A7's interior is optimized for crew efficiency and comfort during long deployments. Modern touchscreens, digital dashboards, and climate-controlled compartments ensure that the crew can operate in peak condition, even under extreme stress or environmental conditions. Every detail has been fine-tuned, from the positioning of controls to the noise insulation that reduces fatigue during prolonged combat operations. Another feature that sets the Leopard 2A7 apart is its urban warfare capabilities. Traditional tanks struggle in cities, tight corners, ambush points, and unpredictable threats make urban environments a nightmare. But not for the 2A7. It comes with a 360-degree camera system, remote weapon stations, and improved mine resistance. Whether it's narrow streets or dense urban zones, the Leopard 2A7 is designed to dominate. Its secondary armament includes a roof-mounted FLW-200 remote-controlled weapon station, typically fitted with a 12.7mm machine gun or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher, allowing the commander to engage threats without leaving the safety of the tank. Even its defensive countermeasures are next-gen. The tank is fitted with a laser warning system, smoke grenade launchers, and electronic jamming capabilities that can confuse or disable enemy targeting systems. The integration of active camouflage and radar-absorbent materials gives it an extra edge in stealth, making it harder to detect even before the first shot is fired. And all of this would be incomplete without reliability. A tank that breaks down in combat is a liability, not an asset. The Leopard 2A7 is built with rugged reliability, field-tested in extreme conditions across continents. From freezing Arctic landscapes to scorching deserts, this machine is engineered to keep going, to keep fighting, and to keep winning. You might be asking, who's getting this monster of a machine? Well, several NATO countries have either placed orders or are upgrading their existing Leopard 2 fleets to the 2A7 standard. Germany, as the lead user, is already fielding dozens of these tanks, with many more in the pipeline. Countries like Hungary, Norway, and Denmark are also joining the Leopard 2A7 club, recognizing its value not just as a weapon but as a strategic deterrent. The development philosophy behind the Leopard 2A7 is interesting too. Rather than reinventing the wheel, Krauss-Maffei Wegmann built on the already successful Leopard 2 platform, ensuring that logistics, maintenance, and training pipelines could be leveraged. This approach has saved billions in development costs while delivering a product that outperforms many newer tanks that started from scratch. What makes the 2A7 particularly fascinating is how it fits into the future of warfare. With autonomous vehicles, drones, and cyber warfare changing the rules, a main battle tank needs to be more than just armor and guns. It needs to be a command center, a sensor platform, and a mobile fortress all rolled into one. The Leopard 2A7 is exactly that. It's not just about fighting today's wars, it's about being ready for tomorrow's challenges. In terms of survivability, this tank is built with layered protection strategies. If its active protection system fails to intercept a missile, its composite armor absorbs the impact. If the armor is breached, the crew is protected by internal blast deflection systems. And if all else fails, the tank's self-sealing fuel tanks and fire suppression systems buy the crew precious seconds to evacuate. Every inch of this vehicle is designed with survival in mind. And let's not forget training and integration. The Leopard 2A7 program includes advanced simulation modules, allowing crews to train in virtual environments that mimic real-world combat scenarios. This ensures that by the time the crew is in the tank, they've already fought the battle 100 times in simulation. The integration with allied forces is also seamless, thanks to NATO standard interfaces and communication systems. That means a German Leopard 2A7 can fight side by side with an American Abrams or a British Challenger, sharing data, tactics, and support. When you look at this machine from a design standpoint, you realize it's not just a piece of military hardware, it's a product of vision, strategy, and meticulous engineering. Every cable, every panel, every weld serves a purpose. From its thermal signature management to its modular armor plates, the Leopard 2A7 is a masterpiece of modern military technology. Now, tanks like the Leopard 2A7 aren't just about offense. They're about deterrence. When a country fields a tank like this, it sends a signal: we are ready, we are capable, and we are not to be taken lightly. The presence of such machines in a nation's arsenal helps maintain peace by projecting strength. As paradoxical as it may sound, sometimes the best way to prevent war is to be overwhelmingly prepared for it. So, what's next for the Leopard 2A7? Well, we're already seeing discussions about further evolutions, unmanned variants, hybrid electric propulsion, and even more integrated AI systems for threat analysis and targeting. The Leopard platform is far from reaching its peak. It's a living machine, constantly evolving with the times. In a world where drones are flying over battlefields and satellites provide real-time imagery, some might wonder if tanks still have a place. But the answer is clear: yes, they do, especially when they evolve like the Leopard 2A7 has. Because at the end of the day, there's still something uniquely powerful about a heavily armored beast rolling through the fog of war, supporting infantry, breaking enemy lines, and reclaiming territory inch by inch. The 2025 Leopard 2A7 isn't just the future of tanks. It's the future of battlefield supremacy. A perfect blend of firepower, armor, technology, and adaptability, it represents everything a modern military asset should be. Whether you're a military enthusiast, a defense analyst, or just someone fascinated by cutting-edge engineering, the Leopard 2A7 is a tank that demands your attention. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Leopard 2A7. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. What do you think about this beast of a machine? Would you want to see a showdown between the Leopard 2A7 and other main battle tanks? Let us know your thoughts. And remember, this is Torque Talk, where machines meet passion and every story is driven by power. Until next time, keep your gears grinding and your eyes on the horizon.